a facilities manager that I deal with. A few years ago, he had changed an exam room into a doctor's office. And we're like, oh, we're never going to change. So we just glued right on top of the existing sheet vinyl. And a few years later, we're both still here. And he's like, all right, I got to go change it back to an exam room. But the product below is discontinued. So he's like, do you think we could try to get the glue off? I mean, up until now, I would have said no, but our Maxxon rep, he gave us a presentation, and he went through all the products and showed us little demos on them, and that was something we could try. So, I wanted to take care of my customer. Obviously, if I could save this guy money of getting him back a floor that's discontinued, I mean, it'd be like a priceless save, I would have saved him a whole job, expense of redoing the floor. So, I was still skeptical. I was like, we could try this. Unglued suggested it. He's like, let's do it. I already had a pail because I was going to use it for something else. So we went there. They opened it and they mixed it with the drill. And then we had a roller. We rolled it on. It worked on sheet vinyl with pressure sensitive adhesive, full spread. It came right off. It was like something my kids would do for fun. That's like how easy it was. This was an answer for something that I never really had an answer for. So, I mean, that's what kind of caught my eye. I was like, oh, wow, we could, maybe we could try this. As a whole, solving a problem is priceless. When my facilities manager calls me up with a problem and I could solve it, there's no price that you could put on that.